Good day, world. It's Mark Drew at Mark Drew Speaks. We're back with another word. The word of the week, baby. This is some good stuff. Like, let's stop reading words and let's start processing words, in our heart. Let's see what kind of word we have this week. Give, and it shall be given unto you. Good measure pressed down and shaken together, and running over shall men give into your bosom. For with the same measure that ye mete, withal it shall be measured to you again. Man, that twisting me up, old King James over here, but you've heard this one before, man. It's the law of reciprocity. Give, and it shall be given unto you. Luke 6:38. You get what you give. This isn't deep. This is some basic metaphysics that we've all experienced in life. If you want a smile, you need to give a smile. If you want love, you need to give some love. You want a friend, you need to be a friend. But you're going to get back what you put out into this world. And it's been put in many books, and you've seen it in action. The question is, when are we going to start putting it into action and controlling what we're putting out into this world? We have a choice every day to give. We can give our ear, we can give our hearts, our shoulder, so much. Or we can take, and I find we gravitate towards taking and we find ourselves empty. And that's the law of reciprocity too, because when you take, things will be taken from you. When you give, things will be given to you. Yeah, I know it's counterintuitive and it's kind of confusing, but trust me, it works. And what I'm asking you to do today is just start with being friendly with someone, being loving with someone. Give some love, give a smile, give that high five to someone and watch it come back. Even that little bitty spark of joy that comes back to you. That's the law and work, and it works. Emotionally, it works financially. Give and it shall be given to you. But you can't give it with the condition of reciprocity. You must give it unconditionally. All right? So go out there, love someone today, man. I'm giving this to you. And trust me, it already came back to me tenfold, man. My heart is full. I love this stuff. I love life itself. And I love you. Not because I know you, but because you're human. And that's what makes you special. All right? Hashtag love someone today. Don't forget to tell a friend. Subscribe below at Mark Drew Speaks. We'll see you guys next week. Peace.